Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, the channel where we simplify crypto and help you grow your wealth no matter your budget. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in crypto, how to trade crypto on a budget. If you've ever thought, can I really start trading crypto with just $100? The answer is why yes, and I'm here to show you how. In this video, we'll cover step-by-step strategies to grow $100 into $1,000 in crypto. Smart tools and platforms to maximize your trades, budget-friendly tips for risk management. If you're ready to learn how to turn a small investment into big gains, let's jump right in. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Part 1. Why start small? The power of $100. Starting small has 3 advantages. 1. Learn without losing big. Crypto trading is risky, especially for beginners. Starting with $100 allows you to learn the ropes without risking your life savings. 2. Focus on percentages, not dollars. Growing $100 by 10% adds $10. Growing $1,000 by 10% adds $100. It's all about percentages. Small wins can compound into massive gains over time. 3. Discipline and strategy. With a smaller budget, every trade counts. This forces you to develop good habits like research, patience, and risk management. Part 2. Tools you'll need for budget trading. To succeed, you need the right tools. Here are some affordable platforms and resources. 1. CoinStats. Easily track your portfolio and monitor your growth. 2. TradingView. Use free charting tools to analyze market trends and plan your trades. 3. Bybit. A beginner-friendly exchange with low fees, perfect for starting on a budget. 4. 3. Automate your trades with smart bots to make the most of every market opportunity. Part 3. $100 to $1,000 strategy. Here's a simple step-by-step approach to grow your budget. Step 1. Focus on low-cost, high-potential tokens. Look for solid projects with low market caps but strong fundamentals. Use platforms like CoinStats to research promising altcoins. Step 2. Use dollar cost averaging. Instead of going all in at once, spread your $100 investment over time. This minimizes risk and ensures you buy at average price levels. Look at my video in the description below for an in-depth what to dollar cost average. Step 3. Trade high volatility markets. Pair your trades with high volatility tokens like BTC, ETH, or trending altcoins. Short-term price swings can lead to quick gains. Use tools like TradingView to identify breakout patterns or support and resistance levels. Step 4. Leverage DeFi platforms for staking and yield farming. Instead of just holding, stake your tokens or lend them on platforms like BlockFi to earn passive income. Step 5. Reinforce wins with smart automation. Use 3 bots to automate trades based on your strategies. Automation reduces emotional trading and ensures you stick to your plan. Part 4. Managing risks on a budget. Budget trading doesn't mean reckless trading. Follow these 5 tips. 1. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Treat your $100 as tuition for learning the market. 2. Set stop losses. Never hold on to a losing trade. A stop loss ensures you cap your losses at a manageable level. 3. Diversify your trades. Don't put all your money in one token. Split your $100 into smaller trades to spread your risk. 4. Track your progress. Use CoinStats to monitor your wins and losses. Analyze your trades to improve over time. 5. Avoid overtrading. Small budgets can get eaten up by excessive trading fees. Focus on quality over quantity. Part 5. Mindset and patience. Growing $100 into $1,000 won't happen overnight. Here's how to stay on track. 1. Think long-term. Focus on consistent growth, not quick profits. Even if it takes months, patience pays off. 2. Learn from your mistakes. Every trade win or lose is a lesson. Use your early mistakes to refine your strategy. 3. Celebrate small wins. Turning $100 into $200 is a huge achievement. Keep compounding those gains. Trading crypto on a budget is challenging but incredibly rewarding. With discipline, the right tools, and a solid strategy, you can absolutely grow $100 into $1,000 and beyond. If you found this video helpful, check the description below for links to helpful tools. Hit that like button, subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.